The stock market is a treasure trove of exciting investment prospects, and I'm here to guide you through some of the best options to invest your $10,000 right now. But here's where it gets controversial. Some of these picks might challenge your traditional investment strategies. The AI revolution, unlocking massive opportunities. The stock market, despite its recent highs, is brimming with long-term investment gems. These stocks are poised to benefit from the massive influx of money being invested in AI infrastructure and other long-term AI ventures. The artificial intelligence trend is far from a passing fad, and I believe these 5 stocks are set to outperform the market in the years to come. Nvidia, the AI kingpin. When it comes to AI investments, Nvidia, NVDA, is the undisputed leader. Its graphics processing units, GPUs, have been the go-to choice for building AI models, and the company's management sees an incredibly bright future ahead. During its Q2 conference call, Nvidia revealed that AI hyperscalers are expected to spend a whopping $600 billion on data center capital expenditures this year alone, with Wall Street estimating Nvidia's revenue at $206 billion for its fiscal year. It's clear that Nvidia is a major player in this space. But here's the kicker. Management also projects that global data center capital expenditures could reach a staggering $3 to $4 trillion by 2030. If this comes to fruition, Nvidia could be on track to hit $1 trillion in sales. That's a no-brainer investment opportunity if I've ever seen one. Broadcom. Customizing AI chips, Broadcom, AVGO, is another company that's eyeing a slice of the AI pie. While GPUs are versatile and powerful, they might be overkill for tasks that require a more specialized approach. That's where Broadcom comes in. It's developing custom AI accelerator chips, XPUs, in collaboration with end users. By designing chips with specific workloads in mind, Broadcom offers customers enhanced performance at a lower cost. This momentum is only set to grow, as NVIDIA's GPUs are incredibly expensive. While NVIDIA's sales aren't going to plummet overnight, the future of AI spending might shift towards these purpose-built chips, which bodes well for Broadcom in the long run. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, the chip foundry. Neither Broadcom nor NVIDIA can fabricate their own chips. Instead, they rely on Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, TSM, the world's leading chip foundry. TSMC manufactures chips for nearly every major tech company globally, and its top-notch execution and continuous innovation have secured its client base. As long as we continue to embrace and advance technology, Taiwan Semiconductor is poised for growth. It's a safe and reliable investment, much like the company itself. Alphabet, leading the AI application charge, shifting our focus to the application side. Alphabet, Google, has made a remarkable turnaround in the AI world. Its generative AI model, Gemini, emerged as one of the best, despite a late entry into the AI arms race. Gemini has been seamlessly integrated into Alphabet's powerhouse, the Google search engine, modernizing the platform. This integration addresses a key concern about Alphabet's primary business in the age of AI. With AI-powered search overviews, Google is set to maintain its mass appeal, securing Alphabet's long-term future and making it an attractive investment. Meta Platforms, betting big on AI. Meta Platforms, Meta, has been a major player in the AI arms race, investing heavily in AI capabilities for its social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. This investment is aimed at ensuring its dominant ad business continues to thrive. Meta is developing tools to create more effective ads and technology to keep users engaged longer, thus boosting ad revenue. Additionally, Meta recently unveiled its AI glasses, which could open up new revenue streams. Even if these glasses don't take off, Meta's rapidly growing advertising business, up 22% last quarter, makes it a solid investment choice. So there you have it. 5 stocks that are set to crush the market in the AI era. But remember, investing is a personal journey, and it's always wise to do your own research and make informed decisions. What do you think about these picks? Are there any other stocks you'd add to this list? Feel free to share your thoughts and insights in the comments below.